Hi everyone, Namaste, Sasriyakal, Salam Alaikum. I'm sure you're enjoying your favorite Indian Premier League 2020, and most importantly, I hope you're making lots of money with cricket betting. अब तक मैंने कोई भी वीडियो पर्टिकुलर गेम के लिए नहीं बनाई थी एंड दैट वाज बिकॉज आई wasn't very sure and I don't want to make a video until and unless I have some very useful and interesting tips to give. नाउ दैट 3 गेम हो चुके हैं अबू धाबी और दुबई को मिलाकर, सो आई हैव अ गुड डेटा अबाउट द प्लेयर्स, आई हैव अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट द ग्राउंड्स. नाउ आई एम इन अ गुड पोजीशन कि मैं आपके साथ कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यूजफुल टिप्स शेयर कर सकूं जिसको यूज़ करके यू कैन मेक सम मनी. आई रियली टेक इट एज माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जो भी मुझे फॉलो करते हैं, कि उनका पैसा नहीं जाना चाहिए. It is my aim that all of you who are watching me, who are following me, at the end of our favorite Indian Premier League 2020, you all should make lots of money and nobody should go in loss. And isliye I was taking my time, and now that I have a good understanding, every single day I'll make a video about the cricket match in the tournament. Just very one important thing. मैं जब भी कोई वीडियो बनाऊंगा वो वीडियो मैच से 2 दिन पहले का होगा, सो दैट यू हैव द टाइम टू रियली टेक मोर, डू योर मोर रिसर्च एंड देन मेक अ प्रॉपर डिटेल्ड बेटिंग. सो आज की जो वीडियो है वो है जो गेम 24th को खेला जाएगा बिटवीन रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर एंड किंग्स 11 पंजाब, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. तो जो मैं कल वीडियो बनाऊंगा उसका मैच होगा 25th को, मैच नंबर 7, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोसीड एवरी सिंगल डे. सो यू हैव टाइम टू डू मोर रिसर्च, टू लिसन टू मोर यूट्यूबर्स एंड देन मेक योर bet accordingly. All right. Now, before I get into my cricket betting tips, I want to share some bets that I have won in the last 3 games. अब तक मैंने बहुत बेट्स खेली हैं and as of now I have made $65, which is equivalent to approximately 5,000 rupees. आप देख सकते हैं जो मेरे लिए जो हाई अर्निंग एंड मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल बेट्स हैं वो हैं जब मैं टोटल फर्स्ट इनिंग रन पे अंडर पे लगाता हूँ. सो एज यू कैन सी अंडर दिल्ली कैपिटल्स में आई पुट अंडर 177 वेयर आई मेड $20, एंड मुंबई इंडियंस आई पुट $141 when it was under 196 and I made $31 over there. And then of course I put my money on Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai, out of which I won Delhi and Bangalore. Of course अब तक मैं छोटी छोटी और बेट्स भी हारा हूँ, बट ओवरऑल एज यू कैन सी आई हैव मेड lots of money already, $65, and if I keep going this way I think I should make 50 to 60,000 rupees by the end of the tournament, and I'm not expecting a lot. I don't want to make a lot. Like I said in my previous video, 50,000 rupees भी अगर मैंने कमा लिए by the end of the tournament, I think I am a winner, and I really want you to do the same as well. All right, चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं बेट की तरफ, बट उससे पहले एक लास्ट चीज़, एंड आई वांट टू गिव यू दिस ब्रीफ, मे बी यू नो दिस ऑलरेडी. इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग में बिकॉज सिर्फ 3 ही वेन्यूज़ हैं, दिल्ली, दुबई, शारजा एंड अबू धाबी. तो इन ऑर्डर टू कीप द पिचेस फ्रेश, व्हाट द क्यूरेटर्स हैव डिसाइडेड कि हर 2 गेम के बाद नई पिच होगी. सो ऑलरेडी दुबई में 2 गेम्स हो चुके हैं, तो जो तीसरा जो गेम, ये जो गेम जो खेला जाएगा, इसमें नई पिच यूज़ होगी. But more so, what is very important to understand that because it is going to be a new pitch, not used in the tournament, इसका परफॉर्मेंस वैसा ही होगा जैसे पहले गेम में था. Pitch is going to have more bounce, a little bit easy to bat on. However, जैसे गेम बढ़ता जाएगा uneven bounce आ जाएगा, and it's going to be that way. But it is important for you to know that it is also going to be a new pitch. So keep that in mind. In all the grounds, every 2 गेम के बाद पिच नहीं होगी. So keep remember that, because that's going to help you to make a decision. All right. So tip number 1, who is going to win the match? I predict that Royal Challengers Bangalore should win the game because of the fact that they have a very, very strong batting lineup this time. They're just not dependent on ABD Villiers and Virat Kohli. They have Devdutt, and I think he was amazing when he played yesterday. He played excellently, a lot of confidence, and of course they have the Finch, Aaron Finch, he's amazing. So they have got the top 4 players completely piled up, and I think they are going to be a very, very strong team. And इस बार not only the batsmen, they have a very 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 strong bowling lineup with Dale Steyn, Saini, Umesh Yadav. Well, Umesh Yadav didn't do very well, but Saini, Dale Steyn is amazing, and उनको support करने के लिए युवी हैं, तो I think that's a very very strong bowling lineup. So I think Kings 11 Punjab, they don't look very very strong apart from Rahul and Maxwell. I think they are not that very strong. So it is going to be a high risk because you can't really predict completely. So don't put a huge amount of money, but I will believe that it is going to be Royal Challengers Bangalore winning this game a little bit comfortably. So put your money on it if you want to play a high risk and a good return. Tip number 2, अब तक तीनों गेम्स में टोटल 6 50s गई हैं, हर मैच में 50 हुआ है, एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि इस मैच में कोई 50 नहीं जाएगी. सो आई एम वेरी सर्टन that there will be a 50. Definitely there will be a 50. So it is a very very low risk bet. Return is of course not going to be super high, but if you want to play a safe bet and make a decent amount, put your money on it. Like I always say, don't be greedy. थोड़ा भी पैसा जीतना is पैसा coming. So you know, even if you put 200 rupees, 500 rupees and you make 50-60 rupees, I know it's a small amount, but बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है. So please put your money, and I think you will definitely win this bet because 50 is a very much certain probability. So put your money. It's almost a certain 100% shot. Tip number 3, the first inning score. Now, even though it is going to be played on a new pitch, दुबई जो ग्राउंड है वो बहुत बड़ा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक ग्राउंड इन बैंगलोर जहाँ पे बहुत आराम से छक्के चौके जाएंगे, और लाइक दिल्ली. सो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी दैट ईजी. इट्स अ बिग ग्राउंड, सो उतने ज़्यादा रन्स नहीं जाएंगे. एंड इवन दो द पिच इज़ फ्रेश, इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू लेट एनीबडी स्कोर समवेयर ओवर 180 or 90. So the score is going to stay between 149 or 175 until unless there is a big collapse, or ABD Villiers and Virat Kohli goes insane. So I think on an average score is going to be between 145 to 175. As of now, Bet365 is giving you an option of 163. So abhi aap bet na lagaएं. Wait for the game to get started, and then once the game starts, you get this option of over and under. Put your money on under, जो भी high होता है. अगर any time the score goes or the betting option goes above 186, above 190, put your money because the score is not going to be above 175 or 180. So keep that in mind and put your money in there. Again, it is a low risk bet if you put it that way, but if you take, if you put your money on 150, 160, then you are yourself choosing to play a high risk game to earn more money. But I, like you saw my examples, मैं हमेशा low risk खेलता हूँ and mostly it rewards. So I will strongly recommend, once on Bet365 you get an option of 185, 190, put your money, you will win. Most probably. Tip number 4, highest first 6 overs runs. ये first session के लिए आपकी tip है. Lot of people request कि सेशन पे टिप बताइए. सो हियर इट इज़ ऑन द फर्स्ट सेशन, द फर्स्ट 6 ओवर, हु इज़ गोइंग टू स्कोर मोर. आई स्ट्रांगली recommend and I strongly believe that Royal Challengers Bangalore will have more runs than the Kings 11 Punjab. As of now, of course, we don't have very many data to present to you. Otherwise, मैं ज़रूर आपसे share करता. More we proceed and I'll be able to share more. But as of now, what I understood by watching them, Devdutt is in a prime form, very confident, and he has Finch along. And of course, as you know, उसके बाद ABD Villiers and Virat Kohli. So they all are very, very aggressive batsmen. Whereas Kings 11 Punjab के जो batsmen हैं, that is KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal, they both take their time to settle and then they flourish. तो उनके जो high runs आते हैं वो 4th, 5th, 6th and onwards में आएंगे. Whereas Devdutt and Padikkul and Finch will start from the ball 1. So, and that's where they have a much better chance. The only reason it is a little bit of a medium risk is because Umesh Yadav form mein nahi hai, so they may give some runs to Kings 11 Punjab. And Dale Steyn also is not the most economical bowler. He's very, very fast. He's a wicket taker, but he's not the most economical. So he gives away a lot of run. And that's what makes it a medium risk. Having said that, I think still RCB have a very good chance purely because they of their very aggressive batting. So I would recommend you, अगर आपको bet लगानी है, put it on this. It's a good return and you are likely to win. So these were the 4 cricket betting tips जो मैं आपको देना चाहता था. Hopefully you will use them and make some money. Now अगर आपको live tips चाहिए, as you know, now I have an Instagram page. The link will be mentioned in the description. Join my Instagram page, and if you want to watch and hear live tips, send me a direct message so I will have you as my people who are interested for live match tips. And जब मैच शुरू होगा उससे 5 मिनट पहले I will create a match group like I did yesterday, and वहाँ पर by every single game I will share my tips. इमीड जो मैं बेट लगा रहा हूँ, you can bet with me together and we can together make some money. So आप साथ में हम सब एक साथ पैसा कमा सकते हैं. So join my Instagram page, send me a message and I will add you in the group when the match will start just 5 minutes before. Alright, and अब मुझे आप लोगों से एक बहुत important सवाल पूछना है and I really need your feedback. So as you know, मैंने वादा किया था that I will have lot of competition on this channel and I have a little bit of doubt. So मुझे आपसे feedback लेना है क्योंकि at the end of the day the competition is for you. So my question to you is, do you want कि मैं competition अपने channel पे करूँ by asking questions, or should I invite all of you to join a Dream 11 and वहाँ पर जो भी सबसे ज़्यादा स्कोर होगा, जिसका भी सबसे ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स होंगे, आई विल रिवॉर्ड दैट पर्सन. सो प्लीज़ आई वॉन्ट टू नो कि वेदर शुड आई हैव द कॉम्पिटिशन ऑन द चैनल or should I invite you all to join on Dream 11. See, it's very important for me to have your feedback because again this is your competition, so I want you to be comfortable. So please write it down in the comments. Your feedback is very precious and important. If I don't have you guys to play the competition, then the competition has no value. So it's very important for you to share your feedback, and it is very important. With that, I just want to say wish you all the very best. It's going to be a big tournament and like I always want, आप सब पैसा कमाएं, हम सब साथ में पैसा कमाएं, and we can all make this tournament a very successful story for all of us. अगर आपको मेरी टिप्स अच्छी लगी, प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो. एवरी टाइम यू लाइक इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी. अगर आपके कुछ दोस्त हैं जो खेलते हैं, प्लीज़ ऑल्सो शेयर माई वीडियो टू देम. एंड अब तक अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल because there's going to be so much that will come your way, not just IPL, but there is so much that I will share about cricket betting. And like I said, in case you want to watch and be with me for live cricket betting, join my Instagram page. Alright, बहुत जल्दी, which is tomorrow, I will make another video for the next game. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe. जल्दी मिलते हैं. खुदा हाफिज़. Ciao, ciao, sayonara.